Welcome to Easterland. I'm so glad you came today because we're gonna learn an exciting song and dance about the Easter Bunny.
Hello!
I love Easter because we get to spend time with our friends and family, and we get to go on Easter egg hunts. So today, I'm gonna teach you all the moves to the song first, and then we're gonna do it together. And at the end of the song, there's gonna be a surprise freeze part. So make sure to keep your eyes and your ears open. Now, are you ready to learn the moves?
Yes!
Great. So if you're not already standing, then you can stand up now and you're gonna do the moves with me. We're starting with the chorus. Remember, the chorus is the part of the song that repeats. So we're gonna do it many times. And it goes like this. So, we're gonna search all over. Look high, reach up high, yes, and low, touch your toes. That's it. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Just like that. So let's try it again. We're gonna search all over. Look high and low. Good. Come on, everybody. Here we go. You've got it. Now, let's try it to the beat. So listen carefully. And here we go. We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on, everybody. Here we go. We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Perfect! I think that you are gonna find so many Easter eggs this year.
Awesome!
Now let's move on. We're gonna practice our Easter Bunny moves. So, when you see the word hop, you are gonna hop on one leg like this. Hop, hop. Do it with me. Hop, hop. That's it. Hop. Keep hopping. Don't fall over. And let's change legs. Good. Keep hopping. I'm almost falling over. Okay, so when you see the word hop, we hop on one leg. When you see the word slide, we're going to slide to the left and slide to the right. Let's try it together. Slide to the left, slide to the right. And now we're going to add our Easter Bunny pose. So we go slide to the left, slide to the right, slide to the left, and slide to the right. Amazing. The next word is skip. So when we skip, we do this. We go step, hop, step, hop. Okay, so slowly we go step, yes, step, and hop. Good. Now the other side. Step and hop. Yes. Step and hop. Step and hop. Step and hop. Step and hop. Quick, 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 and skip. Skip. You see? And now we can skip around like this. Skip, 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 skip with me. Again. Let's go. Skip, 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 skip. So, when you see the word skip, you can either skip on one spot or you can skip around. Just what you want. Okay. The next word is jump. When you see the word jump, we are going to jump from side to side like this. Jump with me. We go jump, 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 and jump. Amazing. And now there's only one move left. When you see the word dance, we are gonna do a disco dance. So show me your pointing fingers. Very good. And now we're gonna point them inwards. Yes. And outwards. Very good. In and out. In and out. Keep going. In and out. In and out. You've got it. Now let's try it to the beat. Let me see you do it. We go. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. That's it. Keep going. You're looking great. Perfect. And those are all the Easter Bunny moves that we're gonna do. Okay, now remember to keep your eyes and your ears open for the surprise freeze part at the end of the song. Are you ready to get dancing, bunnies?
Yes!
Let's go! Clap your hands!
When the Easter Bunny comes, I get excited. He's got a basket full of eggs and he's gonna hide it.
Get ready!
We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. Show me how you hop, hop. Show me how you hop.
Keep
Reach
hopping!
your hands up to the top, top.
Good job!
It's the Easter Bunny hop. Show me how you slide, slide.
Remember your Easter Bunny
Show
pose.
me how you slide.
That's it.
Bend down to the floor and hide.
Keep going.
It's the Easter Bunny slide.
And clap.
Easter eggs come in all shapes and sizes. Some are big, some are small, and some are full.
Get ready.
of
Here we
surprises.
go again.
We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. Show me how you skip, skip.
Good job.
Show me how you skip.
Skip in a circle.
Make a circle with your hip, hip.
Great.
Easter Bunny skip. Show me how you jump, jump.
Good.
Show me how
Jump
you
high.
jump. Give your friend a fist bump.
Don't stop.
It's the Easter Bunny jump.
And
Gotta
clap.
search for the colors of the rainbow. Some are pink, some are blue, some are green, and some are yellow.
Get ready. Here we go.
We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. We're gonna search all over, look high and low. Come on everybody, here we go. Show me how you dance, dance.
Show me your moves.
Show me how you dance.
Looking good.
Shake all over with your hands, hands. It's the Easter Bunny dance. Show me how you hop. Other leg. Freeze. Slide. Freeze. Skip. Freeze. Jump. Freeze. Show me how you dance, dance. Show me
I like your moves.
dance. Shake all over with your hands, hands. It's the Easter Bunny dance.
That was so much fun, and I know that if you practice these moves every day, you will be finding a lot of Easter eggs this year. If you like this song and you know all the moves, then you can go look for the Easter Bunny dance on my channel, or you can click on the link in the description. I hope you had fun with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!